Uniting for strength, the power of unity explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and meaningful topic, the power of unity. Unity is a powerful force that can bring about significant changes and achievements. Whether in our personal lives, within our communities, or across nations, understanding the power of unity can help us achieve remarkable things. So, let's explore what it means and how it impacts our lives and the world around us. Unity refers to the state of being united or joined as a whole. It's about coming together with others, despite our differences, to work towards common goals and objectives. Unity is built on the principles of cooperation, solidarity, and collective effort. When people unite, they can pool their resources, knowledge, and strengths to achieve what might be impossible individually. Unity is crucial for several reasons. It fosters a sense of belonging and support, making us feel stronger and less vulnerable. In times of crisis or challenge, unity acts as a pillar of strength, providing the support and motivation needed to overcome obstacles. Furthermore, unity and diversity promotes tolerance, understanding, and respect among individuals from different backgrounds, cultures, and perspectives. This enriches societies and encourages peaceful coexistence. Throughout history, there have been numerous instances where the power of unity has led to monumental achievements. For example, social movements that have brought about change were driven by the collective efforts of individuals united for a common cause. Similarly, in sports, teams that work together harmoniously often outperform those with individual stars but no sense of unity. These examples show that when people come together, their combined force can lead to success and positive change. Promoting unity starts with embracing diversity and fostering an environment of inclusion and respect. It's about recognizing that everyone has something valuable to contribute and that our differences can make us stronger. Encouraging open communication, empathy, and collaboration are key steps in building unity. Additionally, setting common goals and working towards them can help individuals feel more connected and committed to the group's success. In conclusion, the power of unity is a formidable force that can lead to remarkable achievements and positive change. By coming together and working towards common goals, we can overcome challenges and make the world a better place. Remember, it's our collective effort, respect for diversity, and commitment to shared values that drive unity. Thank you for joining us in exploring this important topic. We hope this video has inspired you to value and promote unity in your own life and within your communities. Stay united, stay strong.